Hi there. So you want to find out a little bit more information about sort of what is the best thing to eat, what's healthy eating, what isn't. Okay, so welcome. My name is Dr. Sandhu, Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about fasting today. Obviously, it's a vast subject, but I'm really just going to talk about intermittent fasting. And I'm just going to give you a few sort of benefit of my knowledge, and then I'm going to leave you to have a look at it and study it further. So what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting or fasting is where you don't eat for a certain number of hours. Now, there was a recent study done, and what they found was that they were looking at, it was University of London, and they were looking at metabolism of the human body, and they found that the best time to eat to work with your metabolism, because obviously you want to be able to burn whatever you're eating, because the whole idea of keeping sort of your weight down is you eat less than you need, right? So your energy levels that you use are higher than what you're providing. So they looked at sort of metabolism, and what they found is that the best time to eat to utilize your metabolism, your sort of furnaces, your energy furnaces, were between 6 o'clock in the morning and 4 o'clock in the evening, between 6 and 4. And that is the time to eat. So you have something between 6 and 4 o'clock. Now, generally, people are indoctrinated to eating 3 times a day. So we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And yes, as a child growing this way, we needed that. But now as an adult, the only way we're going to grow, because we've stopped going that way, is this way. And we don't want to do that. So we do not need to eat 3 times a day. Now, when I say that to people, they get all scared and nervous about the fact that they're missing their meals. Okay, let's be honest about this, okay? Human beings, right, physiologically can survive for up to 40 days without any food. Not without water, but they can without food. All right, now, are they going to be really healthy at the end of that 40 days? No, but they will survive. So surviving for like 4, 5, 6, 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours, 18 hours without food, you're not going to die. You're going to survive. But what you're going to do is you're going to give your body a rest, because the most stressful thing that we do to our body is eat. And digestion consumes an enormous amount of our physiology, our chemicals, our hormones, and also our energy. So we don't need to do that to ourselves 3 times a day. Okay? Now, an average person is not that active. Okay, let's face it. We get up in the morning, we grab sort of something, when we sit in traffic, go to work, and we sit for 8, 9 hours a day, come home, and then what do? We have our biggest, heaviest meal. And then what do we do after that biggest, heaviest meal? We sit on the couch and watch Netflix, Amazon, or whatever. And all that food is just sitting there in our gut system, and we're not sort of burning it, we're not utilizing it. So between 4 and 6, so between 6 and 4. So make sure that your cutoff time for any food is 4 o'clock. That doesn't mean fluid, it means food, solid food. Now, in that time of 6 to 4, what you need to do is have 1 meal a day. But that meal has to be high protein, good quality protein, good quality carbohydrates like vegetables, not simple carbohydrate. And that's all you really need. And good quality fat. By that I mean olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. So that is what that meal should consist of. Okay, 4, 5, 6 times a week. Then on the weekend are your cheat days. That's when you have whatever the hell you want, right? And you're not that conscious of it. Now, by having that 1 meal a day, you're going to provide your body with everything it needs. You're giving it sort of the right ingredients, but you're also giving it a break. Because say, for example, that you would eat, say, at 1, 2 o'clock, but then you would have a break till 1, 2 o'clock again the next day. Now that is nearly sort of 18 hours, 24 hours. And that is a good thing to do. That is definitely a good thing to do, if you can manage it. But you can do it like 2 little meals consisting of the same proportions of protein and carbohydrate and good fat, but you then have maybe a little meal in the morning after 6 and a little meal about 3 o'clock, but then nothing after 4 o'clock. But what you do is you change it. You don't always stick to the same routine because the body doesn't like that either. So you've got to keep changing it. Give it a go. I can assure you, you will have more energy, you'll feel much better, and you may even lose some weight. But more importantly, you're going to have more energy, and that's so important for you. So give it a go. Intermittent fasting between 6 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Don't eat after 4 o'clock. Dr. Sandhu, Bedford Chiropractic Clinic, here to give you health information that's going to make a change to your life. Great, I really hope you enjoyed that video and found the information useful. Now all you need to do to actually come and have a consultation with me is give us a call. So check out bedford-chiropractor.co.uk. You'll find it in the comments section. So have a look at that website, give us a call, and I look forward to helping you resolve your issues. Call us today, don't wait or delay. There's no greater wealth than health.